Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? I'm back in the used car department. Lo and behold, look what I see. This looks like a Ford Ranger, right? Ford F150, okay. Now, similar to the Dodge product, but not similar. I mean, Dodge make the best, all right? But look, this guy got the dash tool part. Whoa! I gotta go on the other side. I gotta see this. This is crazy. I don't know what he's chasing or what he's doing, but a little bit out of my pay grade. That's why they pay this guy the big bucks. Now, if I had to guess, I'd say this is a computer or amp. What y'all think? That's an amp? See? I guessed it right. Now, if y'all would see this, y'all would guess he's doing like evaporated coil, right? But no. That's what he's chasing, guys. Some kind of blend door actuator. Ford should be ashamed of themselves making it this difficult to reach the blend air door. See, if this was a Dodge, we can merely reach our hand under there and grab these little 15 or 5/8 screws off and remove that. No, but not Ford. They want to be difficult.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. So one has to partially, and I call it partially because he don't have it all the way out.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, it's got to.
Take the box out.
Oh, you got to take the box out to get it?
Bottom of the box.
No! Oh my goodness, guys. So he's not done. I thought he had gained access to it from this.
Sneak out. Yeah, no.
We gave it a shot, guys. We tried to sneak it out, but unfortunately, it's not working out the way we planned. So, because that actuator's under the bottom of the box, yeah, it would be kind of difficult to get it out. Partially removing the dash. Well, there goes the steering wheel. That's a must, though. You want me to hold it? Steering wheel gotta go if the dash is going, right? Because
No.
it's in the way.
The bottom's not attached. Like
It'll be a lot easier. Let me put it that way.
Yeah. A lot easier. It's gonna be a minute. You good?
Yeah. So he no, guys. I'm a Dodge man. Dodge for life. You hear me? Yes. Always, guys. Always do that. But like I say, EcoBoost. 3.5 liter V6 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost and a King Ranch. Caper had one of these, I think. F150. I think his was burning oil or something, but so does it keep up that racket house, keep up that little ticking noise? The actuators?
Oh no, this one is just, it doesn't adjust. It's not
Oh.
it's not popping or anything. It's don't.
So it's causing
It's just locked up.
flow. Oh, see, we have a problem with noisy actuator. This is just not moving at all. So it is stuck, potentially causing airflow restriction from point A to point B. I don't know.
Well, it only has heat.
Only has heat, which makes it a blend door actuator, right? That's right, guys. Blend door. You're dealing with temperature at that point. You're trying to go from hot to cold. Now, recirc, you're dealing with outside air versus inside air. And there's one more. Mold door is when you're dealing with defrost the face or the floor. So there's 3 modes of operation on a typical AC unit, guys. In this case, we're dealing with blend. Sometimes you may want to blend air, hot and cold, go straight down the middle. Sometimes you may want full hot, depending on how hot it is outside, right? So this door is just froze. Now, typical way, at least me, I go by checking it. If it got power supply and ground and it's not moving, then yes, that actuator is no good. Boy, it's, like I say, it's froze up. Man, I hope you charged enough for this.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, you didn't.
I didn't want to do it.
You didn't. Trying to price him out of all. Roosevelt ain't having it. He see a potential sale. Okay, these used cars, we don't hang on to them long. When we put them on the lot, we go through our little 21-point inspection or something like that. Next thing you know, we detail it, get it all cleaned up, and the next thing you know, it's on the lot. I don't know, 2-3 days later, it's gone. And this one's not bad. Number one, it has a sunroof, so it's full. It's pretty much equipped. with all the nice packages and things like that. So that's what's going on with this. What does this used car department have going on over here? I see, hey, is this another Ford? Wait a minute, oh, this is a Ram. See, come over here to the Ram, to the Dodge side. We don't have that many problems as say Ford. See, you don't see dashes. We don't take dashes out of Dodges the way we have to do Fords. So my suggestion to you guys, anybody that's out there on the fence, get you a Ram. All right, this is a Ram 1500. It's pretty much similar to the F150, right? And on top of that, guys, that's a little measly V6 he got over there. You know what this is? That's right, guys. More powerful V8 Hemi engine. All right, way better than that Ford F150 V6 EcoBoost. And that's I think it said 3.5. This is 5.7. All right, but if you had to make a choice, now I don't know what he's doing. All right, I see a voltmeter here. It's not a tip-em, guys. This is a PDC, fuses, relays, and things like that. But if you had a choice on which truck to get between Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi or the Ford F150 with the 3.5 EcoBoost, I highly suggest you get the Dodge Ram. This truck looks so much better than that Ford. All right, it's kind of may seem a little unfair, right? This one may, from what I'm looking at, this may be a little newer than that one over there. So it might be a little, I may be coming off as a little biased. I apologize to you Ford lovers out there if that's what's happening. But I'm a Dodge guy, okay? Sorry, sue me. I mean, you know. And plus, it just looks, again, I'm sorry. It could be that this one's newer than that one. Uh-oh, what are we missing right here? So guys, moral of the story is, if you're in the market for a truck, get your Dodge Ram 1500. I don't know what's going on here. This used car people, who knows what they be doing back there. We're trying to bring these cars back to life. This is an alignment rack, so it's likely getting an alignment. They might want to rotate. Ooh, these is just as bad. I don't know. Maybe time for some new tires. Depending on what they complain. They complain about shaking or things like that, then yeah. All right. So guys, the all too popular 3.6 Pentastar. Well, guys, that's all I have, man. I've exceeded my time limit on the used car department. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.